Hello, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we talk all things green and beautiful. If you're like many of us, you might dream of having a lush garden, but maybe your space is a little on the smaller side. Well, today we're going to explore something that can transform even the tiniest garden: low-maintenance trees. Yes, you heard that right. Trees that are perfect for small spaces and won't require too much of your time or effort. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Japanese maple. This tree is perfect for those of you who want something that's compact, yet still a showstopper in your garden. The Japanese maple is known for its stunning foliage, with colors ranging from soft green to fiery red, depending on the season. In the fall, it puts on an incredible display with brilliant shades of orange, red, and yellow. The best part, it stays small. This tree won't outgrow your space, making it ideal for smaller gardens. It grows slowly, so you won't have to worry about constant pruning or maintenance. Now, it does prefer partial shade, and you'll want to make sure it's planted in well-drained soil. A little mulch around the base will help retain moisture, but other than that, it's pretty low maintenance. Just a reminder, don't forget to water it during dry spells, especially in the first year after planting. Next on the list, we have the crabapple tree. This tree is a real all-rounder, combining beauty with practicality. The crabapple is beloved for its gorgeous spring flowers that come in shades of pink, white, and red. Not only does it look beautiful, but the flowers also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, helping your garden thrive. After the blooms fade, this tree produces small, edible fruits, which can be used to make jams, jellies, or even pies. How amazing is that? But the best part about the crabapple is its disease resistance. It's relatively pest and disease resistant, which means less hassle for you. It's a hardy tree that can tolerate a variety of soil types, and it doesn't need frequent watering once established. Just give it a little prune in late winter or early spring to shape it up, and you're good to go. Coming in at number 3 is the redbud tree. This one is definitely a favorite for its early spring blossoms and unique bark. The redbud is one of the first trees to bloom in the spring, bringing a splash of vibrant pink or purple flowers to your garden. These blossoms look stunning against the backdrop of the tree's heart-shaped leaves. But it's not just about beauty. The redbud is also known for its unique bark, which becomes rough and knobby as it matures, adding an interesting texture to your garden year-round. Redbuds are great for small gardens because they grow as small trees or large shrubs, so they won't overwhelm your space. They're tolerant of a variety of soil conditions and even handle partial shade well. Just make sure you plant them in well-drained soil, and you'll have a happy redbud that requires minimal maintenance. Like the other trees on this list, occasional pruning to shape it will keep it looking its best. Now, let's move on to tree number 4, the serviceberry tree. This one's a bit of a hidden gem for small gardens. The serviceberry is a versatile tree that offers something for every season. In spring, it produces beautiful white flowers that turn into edible berries in the summer. These berries attract birds, which is a great bonus for wildlife lovers. In the fall, the leaves turn a brilliant orange and yellow, adding color to your garden. This tree is perfect for small gardens because it has a compact size, usually reaching around 15 to 20 feet tall. It's low maintenance, drought tolerant once established, and can thrive in a variety of soil types. Serviceberries are also quite resistant to pests and diseases, making them a solid choice for low-effort gardening. Last but certainly not least, we have the dwarf evergreen pine. For those of you who love the look of evergreen trees but don't want something that will take over your garden, the dwarf evergreen pine is an excellent choice. This tree has a beautiful, compact form with lush green needles year-round. It adds a sense of structure to your garden and provides greenery even in the coldest months. Dwarf pines are incredibly low maintenance. They're drought-tolerant once established, don't need regular pruning, and thrive in well-drained soil. They're also quite hardy, making them suitable for a range of climates. Just make sure to plant them in a spot where they'll get plenty of sunlight, and this little pine will thrive with minimal effort on your part. So there you have it, our top 5 low-maintenance trees for small gardens. When choosing the right tree for your space, consider the amount of sunlight, soil type, and how much time you're able to dedicate to care. Every garden is different, and finding the perfect tree is all about matching your tree's needs with your garden's conditions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more garden tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!